And we are just about to get our puppy. We are here at the breeders. Hello. We are going to be walking out of this house with our new puppy. I recommended the name Wilbur, but alright, and I will be right back. This is our puppy.
Tired now. And then you set it down close to the pan.
Ours is purple color right there.
There they go.
Oh. That's our puppy right there with the purple collar.
Why is it? Oh, yeah.
Wow. That guy's really going.
I think she likes to eat like Casey. And she's taken over. Oh my goodness, that was nice. She's really hungry. That's her. Yeah. So John, that was 3 cups altogether? Yes, James.
There you go.
I know.
They take you
They eat a
for...
lot slower when there's fewer of them.
There's some competition going on.
Piggies, piggies.
And normally, you'd want to, I try not to feed them after 6 p.m. So this is a little bit late, but they'll run around, they'll go now, believe me, and then they'll probably go again, before.
Run right through them.
I would, plan to take them out. With puppies, when they're awake and active, remember, if they're out of their crate, they need to be going out at like every 20 or 30 minutes to pill. But then when you put them away, when you're ready to go to bed yourself, take them out one last time. And hopefully, I would hope that they defecate one more time later tonight. And then they should be good for the evening. But if they do have the bed, have the crate, within earshot, so if they wake up in the middle of the night, then we do let them out. Because you don't want to take a chance of having them have an accident in the crate. But, there's a good shot they'll sleep through the night, although they'll, I'm sure, be wanting to get up early. Once when the sun starts to rise, they consider that there's a, that was quick.
Oh.
Right behind you here. Right behind you here.
Oh. Hi. Oh. Hi. Oh, oh. Puppy, puppy, puppy. This is my puppy. Hi. Oh, lots of puppies. Hi.
I love that, Matt.
Is there another fight going on over there? Oh.
That's the one that we have.
Oh. Up. They found something.
Yeah. All right. All right. I'll go underneath to find it.
I know, but what's the name?
Oh, she's biting. Cheeky.
Gussie was really light. Is that a bagel?
It's a pretend, with the stuff being
Oh. Oh, that one won.
That puppy won.
Oh, she was white.
That's not nice.
Wait, is that ours? Hey! I thought she was the one getting hassled, but you're a little playground bully, aren't you?
I'm sorry. It was an accident.
Go apologize to that poor puppy over there.
Okay, so this is like smaller. Oh, that one's, that one's getting at the leash. It was the leash moved and everything.
Well, she's off on a sprint.
Remember, it's still quick. She's trying to do it. Okay. So just pick her up then and put her down on the floor. Don't pick her all
We're on our way home, and she is grunting like a pig.
Here's a towel. Grunting like a pig. Yeah, piggy.
Can I see her?
She's turning the other way at the moment. Can you catch her in a little bit? Yeah.
Alright. Well, that's a pretty noise. Yeah.
When you got a pony?